welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. This is Piloty Moksha this side. So this is part 3 of how my commercial check ride went and what all things I did. So for commercial, I didn't take risk on knowledge test. I was like, bhai pad ke jaungi pura achhe se, and I got 92. I was like, yay! Finally I got 92, yay! And after this, there was this thing ki mera check ride is in 1 week now, okay? First of all, it was on 10th October, then it shifted to 22nd, and then it shifted to 26th. Alright, now I'm all set ready because my complex ka thoda ghante was left. I did that, and now I'm all set ready. It was wapas saying no to do. I know this place now. I know this, how to land here. And I was like, bhai, it's Kenneth Kopso, and I know him. He's gonna be so happy by knowing how much I have prepared. But I was not so much sure about my oral exam because bhai kuch tha hi nahi padhne ko, kuch naya. I was like, it's all right. मैं गई, we did my oral exam, and he said, wow. It just lasted for 30 minutes, and he was like, done, let's go fly. While we were about to go for fly, I see there's one screw missing, and he is kind of a man who will never fly an aircraft which doesn't have all the screws intact. I remember putting that screw before leaving, but aate, like while we were flying, I think कोई screw निकल गया, but it's very normal in trainee aircrafts, it happens. I was like, भाई अब मैं क्या करूँ, screw चला गया. So पहले हमने फिर I called my school sent me a letter and everything, we stick on the manual, and now we are good to go. He said, let's go. He tells me कि show me how to do a steep turn. I show him how to do steep turn. Show me how to do. So first of all, before taking off, my fuel gauge was, because it was a G1000, so I don't know what happened. Achanak se my fuel gauge had crossed, the left fuel gauge. I was like, bhai, what should I do? Now I'm about to take off, and I see, oh god, fuel gauge is down. I pull the power back and say emergency braking. He said, what happened? I said, fuel gauge. He's like, oh, you have filled it, right? I'm saying, yeah. He said, sometimes in G1000 it happens. But he said, but in emergency, he ticked it. He's like, you are safest. I'm like, wow, God, wow. So I go back to the taxiway, come back in and take off. He's like, nice take off. He said, show me shandals, lazy. Show me shandals. I showed him, and he was like, he didn't say anything. It's just his expressions, and I'll tell you the brief later. And then he was like, okay, show me steep turn. I showed him steep turns. Now he's like, you see this runway? There's some barren runway there. You have to make a spiral. You have to do spiraling turns, get back to around 2000 feet and land there. I was like, okay. I did that, but not land, just 300, 400 feet, but you put far again. Then he was like, show me 8s on pylons. I showed him 8s on pylons. And I'll pull out my flight path to you all. You can see how perfect my 8 on pylons were. And then he was like, let's go for landings. I'm like, okay, this was it. This was like, oh god, I'm like, okay. So we go back and we land. He's like, okay, let's go another. I go for another short, the normal landing, then short fin landing. Now he's like, power of 180. Power of 180, I fucked up. I just went little bit, it was second stripe, but I went on third. It's like, it's alright, let's go. I'm like, I didn't fail. But no, what he's looking for is the safety. He was like, if I go for minimums, then you could have died, right? But you chose safety over dying. So yeah, good point. And then we come on for another landing. I'm like, और कौन सा landing soft fill बच गया, shit. This is the landing I fucked so much in. But he said, oh, there's a deer on the runway. I'm like, okay, go around. I did go around. Now he's like, we are gonna land soft fill. I'm like, okay. So I come back in, but he said, I'll give you the vectors. I'm like, where are we going? To the soft filled runway. So O22 has 2 runways, one soft filled and one normal runway. I'm like, okay. But I said, I do not know how to land on a soft filled runway. I have never done it. Like, okay, I'll tell you that this all things you have to do, but just show me a perfect landing. Oh god, landing on soft filled with power. That's what I wanted in life, and it was always on my checklist. It was always on my checklist to land on a soft filled grass runway. I'm like, bro, you made it. And he's like, and then I asked him, did I pass? He said, if you don't kick off those runway lights, yes you do. I park my aircraft, I'll show you the reaction. I told him I didn't pass, and then I say, I passed and everything. My family is so happy. So now when we go to the debriefing room, he said, I have never seen this. So what happens is, let's go back a little bit behind. So on my end of course, I went with this sir called Adam, and he told me, show me shandals. I did shandals, lazy arts, everything, and I fun landing, which was power of 180. Like, it's all right, you'll do it. And I come back. First thing, it's still in my logbook. I do not have my logbook, but I would have showed you. He has written perfect shandals. I have never seen this perfect shandals with anybody. I'm like, bro, hey, you're making me a perfect pilot, bro. So after all this, same. Kenneth Cobb also said the same thing, that your shandals were so perfect. The only thing she didn't know about ground was how to file a VFR flight plan, which is so easy. I'm so dumb that I didn't remember. And after that, everything started coming to, like, every pieces of my heart which was scattered. As I compiled them, I piled them and put it back in my heart, because I'm a commercial pilot now. He said so many good things about me. But then, while coming back, I remembered how I failed thrice. Like 3 times while doing my private, and then getting my instrument and commercial in one go was like brilliant. Now when I see those days now, I feel, भाई क्या ही वो private पे मैं रो रही थी 3 times के बाद, जबकि there was no point of crying over that, because that just made me a great pilot. Because if she would have passed me in one go, I would have just taken landings lightly. I would have never practiced them more, and I could have been every check ride, like instrument and commercial. But because of her, I never ended up in any other check ride. I just never made mistakes in my any other check ride, and I just feel so blessed, and I was so happy. While coming, he said, do send me pictures when you get into airlines. I'm like, sure sir, I will. And that experience when I finally got my license was just amazing. I have Indian license as well, but it was not that joyful, or it was not that, as a happy feel. It was of course happy, because I have been fighting for that license from past 4 years. Now I got it, but like I have been chasing like crazy. Like that license is the mouse and I'm the cat, But I feel ki after all this, when I saw my FA license, I got crazy, because India has given me the hope, or the dream, or the path to fly, or to go for my training. But USA has given me the training. All right, and the joy I had that day, oh god, I was like so happy. And now I received my Indian license as well. But when I told my best friend, bhai mujhe feel hi nahi ho raha, he's like, you have already felt that, because you have already had this feeling before when you received your FAA. I'm like, yeah, it might be true, but that's how my journey as a pilot was. See you around, good luck, and do like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye bye, and do follow me on Instagram. Bye bye.